You're a creator. You're passionate and hardworking, but maybe you're not seeing the revenue that you want to see. You're definitely not alone. Over 65% of content creators make less than $10K a year. Now, the good news is that a cohort on the rise within the creator economy is making long-term creator careers more realistic. So let's talk about the different ways that you can monetize your content by showing you examples from top earning creators in ConvertKit. I'm Angel Marie. Let's get started. I want to introduce you to something called the creator middle class. The creator middle class is made up of people who make enough money through content creation to be in the middle class earning bracket. The idea of a creator middle class didn't become popular until recently, largely during the Great Resignation in 2021, where millions of people voluntarily quit because of burnout or health concerns due to the pandemic. For many people, the pandemic made them reevaluate what they wanted to do with their lives. This caused a surge in people becoming content creators themselves, working from home and pursuing their passions. In 2021, the creator economy brought in $66 million in earnings. From that, we're now seeing the creator middle class emerge, which means that you can too. So here's how you can get into that middle class earning bracket or even higher. Number 1, a tip jar. If you offer free content that teaches people about something you're passionate about, you can ask people to support you through a tip jar. Dylane, for example, offers free French lessons through videos on her website and Instagram. She encourages people to support her work by either buying her book or giving what they can through her tip jar option. Number 2, a one-time purchase. A one-time purchase is when a product only needs to be bought once and then can be used for as long as the buyer wants, like Ellen McKenzie's social media masterclasses. Once her customers buy them, they can use them as many times as they want, whenever they want. Number 3, recurring subscriptions. If a customer needs to continue to pay for access to a service or a product, that's a recurring subscription. For example, Mojito Marketing is a marketing community that gives subscribers access to the latest news and networking benefits. Number 4, pay what you want plans. Pay what you want plans allow creators to give audiences the option to pay as much as they want. For example, creator Melanie Mediggs cares more about helping business owners with their spiritual and mental health than making money. So she offers her business chakra meetups and allows people to pay whatever they can afford. And number 5, discount incentives. Discount incentives are a great way to get new customers to try a new product. For example, creator Matt Regland offers $20 off his journaling course to encourage potential customers to try his teaching methods. Now, once they try one of his courses, they're more likely to buy more courses from him. Now that you know the different ways you could easily monetize your content, let's walk through how top earners using ConvertKit do just that. Let's start with Corey Ames. Currently, Corey mainly uses ConvertKit Commerce when working with sponsors on partnerships. In fact, Grow Ensemble's partnership programs have added $25,000 this year while using ConvertKit Commerce. Now let's talk about Akila Farrell. Farrell uses ConvertKit Commerce to help her clients sell their digital products. She's able to create the products there, automate the email marketing campaigns, process customers' payments, and deliver the purchased digital products to those customers, and all in one platform. Last but not least, Sahil Bloom. Sahil wants to integrate ConvertKit Commerce with the sale of future products offered through his emails. Now, because of the dynamic way that ConvertKit Commerce allows Sahil to operate his diverse creator business, he highly recommends ConvertKit Commerce to other creators. There's so many ways to use ConvertKit Commerce so that you can begin monetizing that incredible content of yours. In fact, let me take a few minutes to show you how. To grow your revenue using ConvertKit Commerce, head up here to the Earn tab. You have two options here. The first is to create a product page for one-time payments, subscriptions, or some of the other ideas that we discussed in this video. The second is a tip jar, which we also talked through. Remember, tip jars give your audience a way to send you a tip for the content you create. For today's example, let's choose products. From there, I'm going to head over to where it says New Product, and then I'm going to give my product a name. From here, you're going to choose your product type. Do you want it to be a pay once or a subscription model? For today, let's choose pay once and then next. And then from here, you're going to choose your pricing method. Is it a fixed one-time price, a pay what you want option, which we also talked through in this video, or payment plans, where you split the price into monthly or quarterly installments? From here, go ahead and put your price on it. Now, when you're ready, you can toggle if you want your customers to choose a quantity, meaning how many they can purchase for themselves and maybe a friend. And then you're going to choose your currency option. Next, click and then decide on what it is that you're selling. If it's an ebook, click digital download. If it's an exclusive paid newsletter, you'd click here. Or if it's something else, like a coaching service or a course, you can click right here. From here, click Next, and then go ahead and give your product page a URL. And then click Create Product. From here, you can see that you're brought to the customization process. This is where you can add an image to your product page. You can add additional context right here to describe what it is. And then, of course, you can customize it even further by choosing the button colors and going to each individual page, such as the checkout page, the confirmation page, and the email receipt, to customize in the ways that you would want to. So much so that you'll have a finalized product page just like this. When the potential customers go to this page, they can click on the button and they'll be redirected to the payment processing process. The creator middle class is growing, and you can be a part of it. These tools are here to help you succeed. You just need to take that first step. Take the examples we talked through in today's video so that your creator business can earn more with ConvertKit Commerce. And you can get started today by heading to the link in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and keep creating.